Well, hello everybody. Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, and I'm back with a new tip for your business, for yourself. Whoever wants to take these tips can have them. You know, I'm going to address another question I get all the time, and that is, how do I find customers? How do I find customers? And you know what? It's actually pretty easy to do if you follow these 4 steps. So let's just jump right into it and talk about it. How to find customers. Number 1, keep the ones you have happy. You know, I really believe this. I think anybody can sell anything to anybody once. The secret, the real skill is in not only doing it once, but doing it over and over and over again to a point where they can always come back and want to do business with just you. And not only do business with just you, but they bring their families and friends back to do business with you as well. It's the easiest way to create a business, build a business, and keep a business is to keep the customers you have happy. And you do that by handling them correctly the first time, following through on everything you said you would do, and continually following up on them and never losing contact with them. Keep the ones you have happy. Number 2, ask for referrals. This is one of the easiest ways to get customers. If you have happy customers who are willing to come back and do business with you over and over and bring their friends and family, then they're willing to give you referrals. Now check this stat out. Do you know that when interviewed, over 92% of the people say that they would give a referral to their salesperson? If they like the salesperson, 92% of the people say they would gladly give a referral to somebody else. But do you know that only 11% of sales pros ever ask for a referral? So don't be shy. You did a good job. They like you. You like them. You stayed in contact with them. Ask them for referrals, and not just once. Do it all the time. Number 3, create specials. Now, notice when I say create specials, I'm not necessarily saying discount your stuff or give things away. I'm saying create specials. For example, you know, I work in the car business quite a bit. One of the things we've done with service departments to create specials is we get to the 4th quarter, fall. That is when Christmas happens. So we'll run specials like, look, if you know somebody that needs a set of tires, come and put them in the layaway. Heard that term in a long time? Put them in the layaway. Make payments on them now. Okay, there's no cost to the dealership for doing that. Or you know what? If you come to our business and you want to do business with us as we're getting your product ready, we have a shuttle bus that goes back and forth to the mall. You come over here, we'll do our stuff. You go to the mall, you have a great day, go to the spa, wherever it is, we'll take you there, and then we'll pick you up at the end of the day and bring you back. Create specials, be creative, and I've got a lot of ideas there, by the way, and things we've done over the years to help people create specials that I'd be more than willing to share with you. I just don't have time right now. But number 4 is to pass out business cards everywhere you go. Now, I know we're living in the tech world, and you know, you trade phones or you bump phones, and you can give information, get information. You can email, you can text, you can do all kinds of things, and I think you should do all those things. But I don't believe we've reached a point in history yet where the printed business card doesn't have a lot of value, because it does. And you should get business cards, you should get professional ones done, and you should pass them out to everybody you meet wherever you are. Don't be shy about it. For example, if you're in line at the grocery store and you hear the couple in front of you talking about how they need to put money aside, or how they're getting ready to go buy this product or that product or this service or that service, and it happens to be a product or service you represent, don't be too shy to tap them on the shoulder, or to just kind of clear your voice and say, I didn't mean to eavesdrop, but I heard you say that you're looking for X. Is that right? Well, again, I didn't mean to eavesdrop, but that's the business I'm in. As a matter of fact, here's my business card, and if you would want to contact me, I can set up a time to show you what we do, because nobody does it better than us. I mean, be prepared to do that anywhere. Why wouldn't you? And you know what? I've done that and always done that and continue to do that, and I've never had anybody be offended because I've offered them my business card. So how do you find customers, especially if you're an individual? Here's the easiest way to do it right here. Don't wait for the ads to work. Don't wait for the economy to change. You go out, you stand up, and you go find customers, and this is the easiest way to do it. It never fails, never fails, never fails. Okay, you know, if you want to talk to me about what we talked about here today, and you want some more ways to create specials, or you have questions about anything here, you can reach out to me and I'll talk to you about that, or anything that has to do with your business or your sales career. To reach me, all you have to do is dial 1-800-248-2931. Again, 1-800-248-2931, and anybody that picks up that phone. You ask them to find me, and they'll find me, and if I'm around, I'll talk to you right then and there on the spot. But I do want to let you know I do travel a lot, so it's more likely that I'm not going to be able to get back to you for 24 hours because of my travel. If you would prefer to email me, then email me at info@jcowensprotalk.com, info@jcowensprotalk.com. I answer all my emails within 24 hours, and I'd love to talk to you anytime about business, sales. You just reach out, and we'll get to know each other. There you go. So with that, I will see you with the next message, because there's always another one coming. Hopefully you like this one. Hopefully you like the next one. And hopefully you put it into play and improve your situation. Until we talk about all those things, you make it a great day, make it a great week. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself.